In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix laggy Canva. If Canva has been freezing, stuttering, or responding slowly while you edit, don't worry. This is a very common issue, especially when you're working with larger designs, videos, or lots of images and elements on the canvas. The good news is that in most cases, you can improve performance with a few simple checks and settings adjustments. The first thing you should do is find out whether the issue is actually on Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the sections related to site performance, the editor, and media delivery. If there's an outage, maintenance, or a performance issue showing there, the lag may be coming from Canva's servers rather than your device. In that case, the best move is to wait a bit and try again later. But if everything is showing as normal, then the problem is likely local, and we can continue. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted cached files can interfere with Canva and make the editor feel sluggish. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This removes outdated temporary files and often gives Canva a much cleaner session the next time it loads. After that, check whether hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser settings. This setting allows your browser to use your computer's graphics hardware to help render Canva more smoothly. Open your browser settings, go to the System or Advanced section, and look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available or Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned off, switch it on. This can make a noticeable difference when working with heavy visual projects. If Canva is still lagging, the next step is to free up memory by closing unused tabs. Too many open websites, especially video streaming pages or heavy web apps, can consume a lot of RAM and slow down your browser. Close anything you're not actively using so your system can focus more resources on Canva. Finally, go back to your Canva project and perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to load a fresh version of the page instead of relying on old stored data. Once Canva reloads, check that your project shows all changes saved, then try moving elements around the canvas to see if the lag is gone. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.